how to edit domains or how to edit website on Crazy Domains. So we can actually have a few options in order for us to edit our websites on Crazy Domains. The first one I'm going to go ahead and discuss is how to edit or how to use Crazy Domains. Basically, how to use their website builder to edit your websites. So from here, I want you to go on over to crazydomains.com, and once you're already there, going over on your preferred account, so just tap on login or sign up if you haven't logged onto your account yet. Once you're done, I want you to tap on your account manager and proceed to enter your dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard, I want you to go on over to your website builder section of your dashboard. Once you're there, I want you to go ahead and click on Managed next to the website you want to edit. Once you're already there, proceed with editing the site. Now you could actually proceed now with editing your site, changing the images, the sections, and adjusting the buttons or videos, and also dragging and dropping elements anywhere you want to add on the page. Once you're done, just go ahead and tap on Save to save your changes, and then hit Publish when you're ready to go live. Essentially, that's how you guys could edit your websites on crazydomains.com. Thank you guys for watching. If you'd like to go ahead and use Crazy Domains for your business and website building, I do have links to this in the description box down below, so just go ahead and tap on that to get started. Again, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.